In this video, we'll be telling about how to delete your Telegram account. Some of them, what they used to do is they will log out of Telegram account thinking that they are deleting their Telegram account. In this video, we'll be telling about correct method of deleting Telegram account. For that, first what we need to do is open Telegram application. After opening Telegram application, above you can see 3 dots. Click on these 3 dots. Here you can see one option settings. Click on settings. After going to settings, scroll down. When you are scrolling down, here you can see one option Telegram FAQ. Click on this option. When you are clicking on that, here you can see so many questions. Scroll down. When you are scrolling down, under your account section, you can see one option delete your Telegram account. Click on this option. When you are clicking on that, you will reach a page like this. Here you can see deactivation page. Click on this deactivation page. When you are clicking on that, a page will be opened in your browser. Here you need to enter your phone number. One thing is that you should add your country code also. If you are from India, you should add +91. Anyways, after entering your phone number with country code, here you can see next button. Click on this next button. When you are clicking on that, a box will come like this, confirmation code. Now in this account, you will receive one confirmation code. You need to copy that confirmation and paste it here. Again, go to Telegram application. In Telegram application, you can see new message. Here you can see that login code. You need to copy this login code and paste it there. After entering that confirmation code, here you can see sign in option. Click on this sign in. When you are clicking on that, you will reach a new page like this. Here they are asking why you are leaving. If you want, you can type anything, or you can simply click on this delete my account button. When you are clicking on that, a pop-up message will come like this. Here you can see yes, delete my account. Click on this button. When you are clicking on that, you can see a confirmation message like this. Your account was successfully deleted from our system. That means our account is deleted. So this way you can easily delete your Telegram account. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.